Hi everyone, this is Hoor from Climate Outreach and I'm currently at London St Pancras Station waiting to board a train to Paris. Tomorrow I will be joining our Spark partners in delivering the ticket to the future. So we will be boarding a train from Paris to Barcelona with great young activists and communicators from all around the world, where we will be sharing and discussing our stories and experiences with climate justice in preparation for a workshop that we will deliver on Thursday morning in Barcelona. We are very excited for this activity. We are looking forward to creating great social media content. We are excited to learn from people, and we are also looking forward to sharing what we know as well. So please stay tuned and I will see you soon. So we are at Gare de Lyon and we're waiting to board our train from Paris to Barcelona for the ticket to the future. Hey, to the future! Barcelona! I think that all the conversation. Hey, it's Hood again. So we're on the train and we're going to Barcelona. Lots of exciting conversations on climate justice that we're going on today with these amazing people here behind me. We cannot wait for tomorrow for the workshop and we'll keep you updated.
We need to do things out of the normal. If politicians are... What do we want? When do we want it?
Hi everyone, this is Hoor again from Climate Outreach, and today I am reflecting a little bit on the workshop that we've done last week in Barcelona as part of our participation in the Ticket to the Future activity with the Spark Consortium. So last week we met up with about 100 young activists from around the world to talk about climate justice and how we've all encountered climate justice in different ways. We listened to stories and we listened to suggestions and ideas, and we asked each other questions, and it was a very positive, safe space for people to come together and share their stories about climate justice. What I think was very inspiring to see is how, despite the differences in people's experiences, they were still able to put those differences aside and come together and give each other suggestions in solidarity and in support of the overall cause. So you've got some people who have encountered climate justice through perhaps loss of land or loss of livelihood as a result of that, while on the other side of the spectrum you've got people who engage with climate justice mostly online, perhaps had a loss of following, online following, loss of friends perhaps because of their advocacy. And you could see how both people were giving each other pieces of advice, recommendations on how to continue forward, and that was just entirely inspiring to see, and really reiterated and reinforced what we found out in our research. So in our workshop we shared some insights from our research, we shared some recommendations, but we also heard a lot of stories. And so in general, when we look back at this activity, we think it's been great, it's been wonderful to see all of those people with amazing energy, and this only reinforces what we found in our research, and that is to empower young people, to enable them to participate more in climate justice conversation so that they can really shape the future that they want to live in and the world that they want to live in the coming years. So thank you very much for following our videos and for staying in touch with our journey. Thank you for the activists who showed up at the workshop and who were very comfortable in sharing their stories, and also thank you very much for your feedback. We really appreciate it, and we really hope that that will feed into our research in the future.